Mom, can we go furniture shopping?
Sure. What do you need to buy?
Something for my new apartment.
How do you like your first apartment? Do you like living alone?
Yes, it's great, but my apartment is so empty. I need some furniture to make it feel cozy.
What do you need?
I already have a bed and a sofa that you and Dad gave me. I need to buy a dining table and chairs.
Where do you sit to eat?
Right now, I eat on the sofa, but I'd like to invite people over for dinner and be able to dine comfortable.
Can you afford to buy a new dining table and chairs?
I have some money saved, but not a lot.
Why don't we try a yard sale? I always see people selling their dining room furniture at yard sales.
That's a great idea. Maybe if the furniture looks really old, I can get a good deal. I can just paint them.
Right, we should go today.
Yes, I'm excited to see what I can find.
Maybe I'll find something too.